Hi everyone, this is Priscilla. I'm a real estate agent here in South Florida, and today I'm in Boca Raton and I want to show you this gorgeous community. This community called Lotus, and today I'm going to show you one of their models. This is the Laguna model. Has 5 bedrooms plus den, or you can turn it into a 6 bedroom, 3-car garage, 5 bathrooms, and a loft. Let's take a look inside. This community has over 500 houses. We don't have any houses ready right now, so you will have your opportunity to choose your upgrades. Gorgeous. Have 1 bedroom downstairs. You have the loft upstairs. Playroom. They put a pool in this house. Just so you know, this community has a great clubhouse with a cafe, playground. If you are shopping for a house or you want more information about Lotus here in Boca Raton, please give me a call.